Now sometimes code doesn't do exactly what we want, especially if we get input from a user, for example, because we're not exactly sure what's going to happen. So here's some code. We've got a while loop. We're going to get our option, which is 1, 2, 3 or 4, but we want to keep going asking the user to enter one of these numbers until they want to come out, and when they come out they can just enter X. So they put X in, break, comes out of the loop. Otherwise we need to change the input from the string to an integer, and then if it's between 0 and 5, like 1, 2, 3, 4, we're going to print it and then carry on. And if they put the wrong number in, then we print this message. Okay, so we want to just show you this first. Let's run this, and we're just going to enter 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. It gives us a message, so we go back 3, fine. Put X, everything's great. So that works. But what happens if we get something that we wasn't expected? Let's run it again. We put in 3. Let's put in Q. Oh dear. So now our program has got an error message. So our game would just break. So we need to do something to stop this happening. And what we can use a try. So we're going to move all this code over. So basically we're going to try this code, and if it works, then that's great. But if it doesn't work, we're going to use an except. So instead of having this error message and our Python program just crashing and our game ending when we don't want because the user enters something that we didn't want, we can carry on. So let's try it again. So now with the try and accept, we can put in 2 and 1 and 4. If we enter 5, we get this error message saying that we need to enter the number or X. But remember last time we put in Q. This time it gives us this error message in accept. So instead of our program crashing and breaking and being no good, here we've got this error message, and then we can carry on, and then the user carries on putting numbers and exit to come out.